Hello, my name is Steve. I'm one of the window treatment specialists at WindowTreat, and today I'm absolutely delighted to talk to you about two mega trends and their influence on blinds. So the first trend is towards larger windows. Think bifold doors across facades of your home, sliding doors that open wide and slide out of view. Roof lanterns to maximize daylight coming into your space. So you have that extra natural light and that connection with the outside that is so important for our well-being. The other mega trend is towards minimalism. So think smaller frames on the windows and the doors and roof lanterns. And think also towards hiding blinds away. So your window treatments, such as your curtains, your blinds, literally disappear. To achieve this, you need to think ahead. I invite you to plan ahead so you can incorporate what we call the Blindspace blind boxes into your window structures. So you need to work with your architect or designer, or if you are the architect, with the homeowner, and think, well, how am I going to incorporate that in there? Do I adapt the lintels, make a little bit more room? But with that planning comes that minimalism, the sheer beauty of being able to hide a blind, hide the components, the hardware, the side channels, and make the blind disappear into that gap in the window structure. So from the smallest window to the largest roof lantern blind, whether you're looking to reject heat and glare in your kitchen or maximize blackout in the cinema room or your bedroom, contact WindowTreat well in advance so that we can support you. And what we can offer is exceptional design support, technical drawings that you can work with, great products, and an immaculate installation that you'd be very, very proud of.